The last time I was with Sparky was the thunderstorm. And you know, I tell myself that it's my fault, even though I know it's not. But like, I should have known, you know? It was raining and we shouldn't have went the path we did because cars just zoom on by. But I don't know. He was my best friend. It's like there's this pit in my chest, and I don't know, just it keeps on feeding on all the bad ideas because I feel like there's nothing left. I'm constantly looking at the world through a pane of glass, and I'm shouting, and nobody can hear me. But at the same time, I don't think I want anyone to hear me. I'm not sad. Just vacant. Like, there's nothing left of me inside. It's like I'm full of dust and soot and fog and like burnt pages of a book, like just never read. It's like I'm controlled by these little seeds in my head that sprout doubt, and it infests my body with these weird fantasies of that night never happening. It's like I'm Alice in Wonderland, and I'm begging to wake up. I'm so tired. There's nothing I can remember being beautiful, you know? I can't remember the last time I laughed. I hate myself for that night. I hate myself for hating myself, but I just miss him so much.